welcome back to data analysis series with data software. In this video, I will go through a simple example how to create a do file and how we can execute a do file and with a single button press because it is very useful in recording everything what we are doing and also can manipulate a data set for our same commands. And if we want to develop or generate a new variable, or maybe we are interested to uh, drop a variable from a model, so we don't need to do the whole exercise. That's why we just change the place value or change the command, and then we can run the do file again to save our energy and time. So how to do that? For this, we have a stata. So we can start with a stata. Here I can open a topic, and here I just open a data set which contain carbon emission, gross capital formation, GDP per capita growth, and then broad money. So first of all, how to create a do file. Like here is the icon of the do file editor. Click here. After clicking here, you can write the code or write your command what you have done. For example, I have created a do file by myself. That do file is here. This do file, a sample of do file, because to keep recording and summarizing and different commands. Here you can see the green color is text. It explains what kind of thing or comments you can write by yourself, and the blue lines shows, the blue color shows is a command. So here there are three kind of green lines. For example, you can write a static, and then you can write a command, write a statement, or any command, or anything which you want to learn, or anything which you want to remember. Then you have a summarize command, then you have other commands, and then you also have like start a loop of writing, and then in different line, if you have a more text to write in different lines, then you can start with the bracket and star, and then is opening, and after that you can write in 2 or 3 lines and then close it. If you didn't close it, then it stata will consider the all other lines as well the text. So for this you have to star and slash, then it will control. So I have made this simplest command, simplest do file for my data. So I just need to copy, control C, and after that I just can paste here in command window and then enter. Now see here, if you can see, I just put it, the regression command is not taking, because when you are giving in command window, then you can write only static and to give the text. Besides this, if you can see, I have run the summarize command, then I have run the correlation command, then I have run the mean estimation. Now suppose you want to change a single variable to drop a single variable, just like if you have a regression, this one. Here you are interested to drop this one, BM. You want to drop the BM as per your convenience. Then you don't need to change all. You just need to go here and you just drop the BM and run the regression. But in this way, you can have only one result, the regression. But if you go your do file, here you just change, just drop the BM from all commands, and then you just need to copy, and then you just need to paste in the command window, and after that you can run one by one command, and here your all results have been calculated and manipulated for by dropping a BM variable. In this way you can also increase other variable as well. So this is the function of a do file. If you want to save a do file, how to create, just like click here. Now you have a do file, is a do file text editor. Here you can control, like for example, you have run from, I want to save from command 11, and then press the control and then select other commands, and after that you can just write control C, and then you can go data editor, and here you can just paste control V. So here you can see all these commands you have pasted, you have run it, and now you want to give the description. What is it? For this, you have put a static to write the comments. For example, is a model. I can say that sample of do file. So if you put a static, then it take a single line text, and the next line it will take the command. Otherwise, you can write the double slash, and it's also counted as text, or you can open a loop with I in explain here. If you want to open a loop, want to write comments and text in different lines, then you can start with a bracket and static, and then you can also close static and slash. And in this way, you have a here, and after putting this, you can save it. You can go and click save. After writing is like do file topic 4 or 3, and then you want to save on desktop or just save it. Now you can see here your do file has been saved. If I go on desktop, and then you can find it, this one is the do file topic 3 is your do file. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep updating with your comments and suggestions. Thank you.